Hello, land of YouTube. In my last video, I drew these horizontal lines in at $45,000 and $47,000. I was talking about how strong that is, and I was talking about a lot of buy orders were in from just under 46,000 up to like 48,000. And I was talking about how it's almost impossible to go below 45,000 and start closing 4-hour candles and bigger. And got a couple wicks under 45. We actually closed the last 4-hour candle, this big red one, that closed well below 45,000. See this down here? 2 minutes, 57 seconds, 56, 55, 54. That's the next 4-hour candle close. We're sitting at 44,996. I don't really want to see 4-hour candles closing below 45,000. If this doesn't hold, I guess 42,000, and if 42,000 didn't hold, then technical analysis, if you just looked at this chart and didn't know it was Bitcoin, of course, it could come way down here to 20,000. But this is Bitcoin, and I don't want to go into all the stuff, but there's huge institutional buying, and of course, one of those was Tesla, and Elon Musk has divided the cryptocurrency world. He's like causing drama between Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and he's on Twitter, emotional arguments with people. And oh, look at that! Look at that little pumpage, 45,169. So, Elon Musk is not an investor. You never put emotion into investing, and he's making people emotional. That should just prove something to you right off the bat. 45,219. So I think there's lots of people out there that are watching this 4-hour close, and I think a lot of people have a good interest in trying to pump it up a little bit right now, and that is appearing to happen. Let's see, 45,247, 45,264, 45,254. We've got a minute, 2 seconds left, and I really wanted to get above there. But one thing I was talking about in that last video, I was talking about this double bottom. Bitcoin likes a double bottom and then pumpage. I was calling this the double bottom here. I was calling it looked like it was going to be here, but I think never stops writing one on it. So here, I was thinking it was going to be the double bottom, but there's actually a bigger double bottom that is showing itself, and I didn't realize it. Here's the real double bottom, I do believe. It's here. And then here. Right? So let's stop drawing. It's annoying. I press the button and then stop drawing. Press the button, stop drawing. Okay. There's the real double bottom, I do believe. Let's put a horizontal line there. And let's see what we got. Pow! That is probably the real double bottom from back on late February. February 28th, May 16th, May 17th. That's probably the real double bottom. Also, an area of interest is, I should have talked about this in the last video. It's kind of obvious now looking at it. The January 8th all-time high at that time, almost at 42,000. Different sites have different prices. This is Kraken. It was just a couple of dollars under 42,000. Put a horizontal line in there, and let's here for better graphics. Let's do that again. See, let's get everything in picture. Here's where we're at right now, right over here. So watch this. I'll put a horizontal line in there. Boom. Look at that. So that's support as well. So if it goes under 42,000, I don't know what to say. I can't imagine that. I just think Elon Musk has caused so much drama and problems. It's really irresponsible of him. I would not be surprised. Look at that. There, it closed. Where'd it close? It closed at 45,181. So that's good. Because I was saying, I hate making videos and being wrong. So I was saying It's almost impossible to go under 45,000 and start closing 4 hour candles just because of the buy pressure that's out there, and big time investors, they don't like selling for losses. And if they were going to be taking profits, they would have done it up here, right? Up here in this area. They wouldn't be waiting for it to come down here and then, the big time boys, they don't panic sell, right? So they wouldn't be taking profits down here. There's rumors out there that Tesla sold all their Bitcoin. I think it's just a drama playing out on Twitter because Elon's getting into these arguments on Twitter, right, with people, and he's making a massive mistake. Basically, everything he's saying about Bitcoin is wrong. It's already FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's already FUD garbage that has already been proven to be wrong. It's I mean, he's really making some people angry, and he should have never. He's a smart guy, right? He would have never put. This was back here. Here's the Tesla buying Bitcoin pump right here. Right here. This was this down here was a news on Twitter that Elon might be buying a little pump and dump, and then up here, right here, is where they actually announced it, and Bitcoin went up. Interesting enough, if you go straight over to the right, we're kind of back down in that same ballpark, right? Tesla bought it, pumped up. Tesla's sold. But anyways, I don't think Tesla's actually sold all their Bitcoin. He specifically said he wasn't going to do that. But he's been implying now on Twitter, because people are coming at him hard with negative stuff. And he's implying now that, with all this hate out there, he might go ahead and dump it. But that's just speculation. He might do that, but it doesn't matter what he does. It doesn't matter what Tesla does. What matters is it scares people to death, right? That's Elon has clearly said he's not an investor, right? He runs a business. Tesla actually, you know what? They make most of their money off government giving them money for making clean energy vehicles. They don't actually they're not really a successful company if it wasn't for that. So that's kind of interesting. Elon's making a mistake, man. There's no reason to make millions of his followers angry. This is only going to hurt him and Tesla. There's no way around it. It's like a businessman getting involved in a political contest. No matter who you back, about half the crowd is going to be against you. So he's making a huge mistake. Cryptocurrency isn't about tribal crap. It's not Dogecoin this, Bitcoin that, blah blah blah, better, this one better. That's he's bringing emotion into it. So don't be emotional. Don't get caught up in that. Anyways, it looks like we're starting to pull up out of this 45,400. So I think I missed the real double bottom, like I said already. I do believe. Here's the real double bottom here. I'm expecting this. It could be real volatile. If there's more FUD stories that come out, who knows for sure. But anyways, to go down in here, to go like this, it would require some kind of catastrophic failure in Bitcoin. And I already said that in my last video. So I'm expecting it to pump up out of here, up into the 50s at least. Let's see what happens when the market's open Monday morning. We'll know in about 10 hours what's going to happen. But see how this kind of comes up and goes down and then pumps up. So if it were to do something similar, what would that look like? It'd look kind of like this here, kind of come up, maybe this, maybe that, and then this and that and this and that, and then something like that, right? I'm expecting that, but who knows for sure. The one thing I have to say is nothing's changed with Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was up here, Bitcoin is still the same Bitcoin down here. Down here, Bitcoin is still the same Bitcoin as it was up here. It's nothing's changed. Nothing changed. The facts are still the same. It's just some guy that see. And the thing is Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live. I don't know if those who watch that. This Dogecoin. See, I don't want to get caught up in this crap either. But he did his Dogecoin skit on Saturday Night Live, and Michael Che during their news episode got him to say that they did the skit, and Elon Musk said, they got him to finally admit that Dogecoin is a hustle. And see, I think Elon Musk is the type of guy, and I don't want to get personal, but he said he has a mild case of autism. So I don't think he understands some things socially. I don't want to try to attack him personally or not, but on Sunday Night Live, he literally called Dogecoin a scam because, on the street, Michael Che is talking about, so it's a hustle. It's a hustle. As in, it's a hustle. It's a scam. It's a fraud. That's what hustle means, right? We all understand that. Michael Che says, so it's a hustle. And Elon Musk said, yeah, it's a hustle. To the moon. I don't think Elon Musk even understood that he said, yeah, it's a total scam. It's fraudulent. To the moon. That's what he said in that skit. And I don't think he understood he even said that. So I just want to try to point that out to some people, because I don't I don't think Elon Musk is the kind of leader we want dictating people's investments and stuff, right? It's really irresponsible. He's probably hurt a lot of people already, and I really love Dogecoin. I think Dogecoin's cool, but you can't. This is Bitcoin, right? There is no cryptocurrency market without Bitcoin, right? Dogecoin doesn't even exist without a strong Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin were to fail, then everything would fail. I mean, Ethereum might go on and exist, but as far as an investment, as far as assets to invest in right now in the near future, no one wants to see Bitcoin go down. So for those of you out there, the Dogecoiners, I'm a Dogecoiner. I own Dogecoin. You don't want to get into that tribal stuff and say Bitcoin's bad and Bitcoin's going down. You're just shooting yourself in the foot, right? Bitcoin doesn't care what people say. Bitcoin will recover, whether it goes like this for 6 months or a year, or if it goes down here. Bitcoin's going to end up well over 100,000 eventually. Bitcoin's been through a lot. It's tried and true, and Bitcoin. You're not gonna. I mean, anyways, I don't know. I'm kind of going off on a tangent here, but we're dropping back below 45,000 now. But it was nice to see that come up and close, to get it closed before 45,000. I would expect this to be pretty much the bottom for now. We might go down and test. Oh, dang it! If you want something to watch, if you're scared, this is the. Oh, you stupid thing. Ugh. Why is it not drawing? There you go. The old all-time high from back in January, right around 42,000, and also it's also kind of falling in line with the double bottom theory here. That line is pretty close to there. It's only about $1,000 off of it. It's pretty close, and so I'm not expecting it to go below there, but I didn't think it would go below 50. I didn't think it would go below 47. I didn't think it would go 45. But anyways, I just can't. I can't picture any more big selling going on at this level. So it's hard to imagine. It's really hard to imagine. I already said what I think is going to happen. I think it's going to look something like this in the next week or two. Something like that, I would suspect, right? In that ballpark, give or take. Something like that. Next couple weeks. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, thanks for watching.